Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, Microsoft has decided that we're going to open the faucet for Windows 11 22H2. If you are using Windows 11 and you are on 21H2, there is, starting this week, there is a 22H2 that could pop up in your Windows updates, and it won't be a optional update. It will be an update, first update to 22H2, so that you move on to the next version of Windows 11. So not everybody's going to get it now. It's slowly starting, but Microsoft did say that now they're starting the progress of moving on. The 22H2 will also only appear for those that have compatible hardware. So if you have a blocker, you will not see it yet. And of course, that means that some of you will have to wait a little more before it actually shows up. So that doesn't mean that you have to see it now. So if you go and see Windows Update, you don't see it appear in the Windows Update, don't worry. There's nothing wrong. It's maybe you have a blocker, or like they said, they're starting gradually. Maybe they're not there yet for your machine, but they are going to push it to every machine they know that is fully compatible. And of course, that will send you to 22H2 on Windows 11. Windows 11 22H2 has a few features that have been tweaked. Probably one of the most popular is the tabs in the File Explorer that you could actually have, and little things like that. There's the hovering of the new settings that show up above the taskbar. A few little things, minor things actually in general. Possibility of Task Manager when you right click on the taskbars anywhere. But then again, the mysteries of the update. Some have it, some don't. Some have things that others don't. It's very bizarre that, it's not like in the past when you were getting a new version, you got the new things happening and you got the new features. Now it's bizarre the way that it's happening. But anyways, if you do want to move on to 22H2, check your Windows Update. It might be there, and we'll be installing and upgrading your machine. And that is, of course, in moving on to 22H2 as we are going towards the end of the year, where it actually will be the end of support for 22H2 is getting this year in, I believe, the month of October. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.